To submit TMAs, Tutor-Marked Assignment, to submit your Tutor-Marked Assignment for a particular course, but this video is just meant for you to see the processes involved in submitting your TMA as a new student, or even as an old student who has no idea on how to submit TMAs. The first thing you do is you log into your portal. There's a menu for courses and there's a sub menu for courses, the one below. As you can see here, this one, you still click on that one again. So you click on that one, then you wait for your TMA to for your portal to load. When you come down here, you will see 2019 second semester exams. That's where you click, not unregistered courses. You go to 2019 second semester exams. Click on scroll up. You can see your courses normally listed, the course titles, the credit units, the fees you paid, and then the first TMA, second and third TMA. The first TMA is active already, so that's what we are here for. We need to solve one TMA for one course, which are probably, let's take on anyone, or maybe, okay. Look at the question. It says, when the acquisition of new learning works backwards to impair the retention of the previously learned material, it is known as what? You click on this option button here. This is where you pick your options. You touch it. If you are using phone, that's why I'm using phone, because I know majority of our students uses mobile phone. So you touch the show options and then you will see the options available for you. You have your A, B, C, and D. So you have to choose one by touching the circle. Look at that. It has selected this one with a black dot at the middle. If you feel like the answer is wrong, you can touch another one and it will move to the next one. So it depends on you. So here the answer, let's say the answer, retroactive inhibition. We submit. When you pick an answer, you come down here and submit. That's your submit. That's your submit button. So you touch submit and wait. It says, are you sure you want to submit this answer? Just confirmation. You say, okay. Perhaps yes. It says, good. You are intelligent. It says you scored 1 mark for question 1. Just read it. It says it all here. So you scored 1 mark for question 1. And you have answered a total of 1 question for TMA 1. Just the details of what you have done. Your total score for Edu 321 so far is 1 out of 1. Then you say continue. Keep it going. Transfer of learning is said to be positive when what happens? Transfer of learning. It says when something previously learned hinders performance, no, has no effect. Benefits should be the correct option. So when it covers your entire screen like this, you can't even see the submit button. You have to touch somewhere. Touch somewhere blank, and you will see the submit button. There you go. Your option is still selected. In case you want to confirm, go back and check. You see that it's still selected. Submit. Are you sure? Yes. It says you're correct too. So you continue. I'm not saying students don't fail. It depends on what you know. So you go to the option again and read. This schedule in which every response is reinforced is known as what? You have fixed. Looking at this, when it says every response is reinforced, it should be fixed. fixed ratio. We have fixed interval, we have intermittent, but you know which one that exists and which one that doesn't. So that's a fixed ratio. See what happens. Is it 0? 0. So that you don't give up when you fail. You don't give up when you fail. When you fail, you continue, but make sure you don't fail so much. So when you come here, you say, which of these is not part of basic needs? You say safety, belongingness, physiological esteem. Let's go with esteem. Submit. Okay, you're back in the game.